Hey guys, this is Camera. I'm the general manager here at Palm Harbor in Cleveland, Texas, and I wanted to personally invite you to our Fall Festival themed promo event that's happening this Saturday. Today's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So it's going to be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You are welcome to come early. You are welcome to stay late, but the actual festivities will be going on between the hours of 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. We are going to have multiple lenders here, not just a banker, but we are going to have lenders from several different banks so that you can talk about different financing options because there are different programs for different situations, and we want you to hear about all of those. So maybe you've got specific questions and we want you to get those questions answered. We're also going to have an on-site realtor here to answer any land questions. And the great thing is we're going to have construction professionals here from several of our different factories. So if you've got construction questions and maybe you want to know the difference between one factory offering and another, you're going to be able to ask those actual construction professionals those questions. So on to the fun stuff. We want to make sure that you bring the kiddos because we're going to have a petting zoo here. We're going to have hamburgers, hot dogs, popcorn. We're working on having a face painting station. We're going to have lots of fun stuff, and we just want you to come out and kind of see what we've got. Also, there's going to be a big reveal that day. We're going to be revealing a brand new floor plan that no one has seen here before, and it's going to be introduced that day. So promo day only is the first time it's going to be seen by anyone, and so we're super excited to show it to you guys. So make sure that you come out. The address is 1152 Highway 59 North Bypass. That's in Cleveland, and the zip code is 77327, so you can put that in your GPS. And if you've got additional questions or want to schedule a specific appointment, the phone number is 281-592-8600. You are welcome to just pop in, but if you'd like a specific appointment so that you have a specific time to meet with someone, you're welcome to do that as well. We look forward to seeing you guys. Bye.